There's one ingredient you can add to your tea tonight that will end your insomnia. It's been used for over 3,000 years by ancient healers. It's probably already in your kitchen, and modern science has now confirmed it works as effectively as prescription sleep medications, without the side effects, without the dependency, without the morning grogginess. Over 1.2 billion people worldwide experience this exact torture of insomnia every single night. In America alone, 70 million people suffer from chronic sleep disorders. That's 1 in every 5 adults. But here's what terrifies me: the consequences. Sleep deprivation increases your risk of heart attack by 48%. It doubles your risk of stroke. It triples your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. Just 1 week of poor sleep can alter over 700 genes in your body, including genes that control inflammation, immunity, and stress response. Your brain literally begins to eat itself. During deep sleep, your brain activates a cleaning system that washes away toxic proteins, including the amyloid plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease. Without sleep, these toxins accumulate. Day after day, the damage compounds. The mental health toll? Chronic insomnia increases your risk of clinical depression by 400%. Anxiety disorders up 340%. People with insomnia have 5 times higher risk of suicidal thoughts. And yet, the solutions we're offered are worse than the problem. Americans swallow over 60 million prescriptions for sleeping pills every year: Ambien, Lunesta, benzodiazepines. The results are always the same: dependency, diminishing returns, and devastating side effects. Morning grogginess that causes car accidents, sleepwalking episodes, cognitive decline, increased dementia risk, and the cruelest irony, rebound insomnia that's even worse when you try to stop. These drugs don't even give you real sleep. They give you sedation, a pharmaceutical coma that looks like sleep but lacks the restorative stages your body desperately needs. But there's a different way. A solution so old that ancient Sanskrit texts described it over 3,000 years ago. So powerful that medieval physicians called it the sleep spice. So effective that modern research confirms it contains compounds that bind to the exact same brain receptors as pharmaceutical sleep aids, without the nightmare side effects, something that's probably in your kitchen right now, something that costs less than a cup of coffee. Before I reveal what it is, you need to understand why tea is the perfect delivery system for sleep remedies. Tea creates a ritual. Your body begins to associate the warmth, the aroma, the act of sitting quietly as a signal that it's time to wind down. Studies show bedtime rituals can reduce sleep latency by up to 36%. But it's more than psychology. The warmth of tea increases your core body temperature slightly. Then, as you cool down afterward, this temperature drop signals your brain that it's time for sleep. This is the same mechanism behind why warm baths help you sleep. Base teas like chamomile provide their own benefits. Chamomile contains apigenin, a compound that binds to benzodiazepine receptors in your brain, promoting relaxation. Valerian root treats insomnia and anxiety. Passion flower increases GABA levels, quieting the mind. But even these powerful herbs pale in comparison to the secret ingredient. Ancient civilizations knew this intuitively. In Ayurvedic medicine, this ingredient was prescribed as jataphala for insomnia and nervous disorders. Traditional Chinese medicine used it to calm the spirit and anchor the soul for peaceful sleep. Arabian physicians in the 10th century wrote detailed treatises on its sleep-inducing properties. European medieval healers called it the narcotic of the poor because of its powerful sedative effects. Modern medicine forgot this wisdom in favor of pharmaceutical profits. Until recently. Over the past 2 decades, researchers have finally started studying these ancient remedies with modern scientific methods. And the discoveries are astonishing. This ingredient contains natural compounds that influence serotonin, dopamine, and GABA pathways in your brain. It has documented sedative properties. It affects neurotransmitter systems that promote both sleep onset and sleep maintenance. But here's what makes it remarkable. Unlike pharmaceutical sleep aids that force unconsciousness, this ingredient works with your body's natural sleep architecture. It doesn't suppress REM sleep or deep sleep. It doesn't leave you groggy. it doesn't build tolerance or dependency. Studies show it may actually improve sleep quality over time, retraining your brain's sleep-wake cycles. So, what is this ancient secret hiding in plain sight? The ingredient is nutmeg. Yes, the same spice you associate with holiday baking. But before you dismiss this, understand that you've probably never used nutmeg correctly for sleep. Most people have no idea about the proper dosage, preparation method, or timing required to unlock its powerful sleep-inducing properties. Used incorrectly, nutmeg is just a pleasant spice. Used correctly, it's one of nature's most potent sleep aids. Let me show you exactly how this works. Nutmeg contains over 25 active compounds, but the primary sleep-promoting substances are myristicin, L-amycin, and trimyristin. These work through multiple pathways simultaneously. First, myristicin and L-amycin are GABA modulators. GABA is your brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter, your brain's brake pedal. When GABA activity is high, racing thoughts quiet and anxiety dissipates. This is what drugs like Ambien and Xanax target. Except they do it with a sledgehammer that comes with severe side effects. Nutmeg's compounds work gently, enhancing your brain's natural GABA production rather than forcing artificial sedation. You get the calming effects without the morning hangover or cognitive impairment. Second, nutmeg influences serotonin pathways. Serotonin is the precursor to melatonin, your body's master sleep hormone. By supporting healthy serotonin function, nutmeg helps your brain produce melatonin naturally. This is far superior to taking melatonin supplements, which can disrupt your body's natural production. Third, nutmeg has documented anxiolytic properties. It reduces anxiety. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that nutmeg extract significantly reduced anxiety-like behaviors through serotonin and dopamine systems. For millions whose insomnia is driven by anxiety and racing thoughts, this is game-changing. Fourth, nutmeg contains mild analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. If pain or discomfort keeps you awake, nutmeg addresses this while promoting sleep. Fifth, nutmeg appears to affect your circadian rhythm. Research suggests certain compounds may influence clock genes, the genetic mechanisms controlling your 24-hour sleep-wake cycle. This means nutmeg doesn't just help tonight. It may actually reset your disrupted circadian rhythm over time. The scientific evidence is compelling. A study in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine found that nutmeg extract significantly reduced sleep latency, time to fall asleep, and increased total sleep duration. The effects were dose-dependent and occurred without observable toxicity at therapeutic levels. Traditional medicine practitioners have documented its effectiveness for centuries across different cultures. Now here's the crucial part that determines whether this works for you: proper preparation and dosage. This is where most people fail. They dump a teaspoon into their tea and wonder why nothing happens. Or worse, they experience unpleasant effects from using way too much. Nutmeg is powerful. It must be respected. Used incorrectly, it causes unpleasant side effects. Used correctly, it's safe, effective, and life-changing. The optimal dosage for sleep is very small, between 1/8 and 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. That's approximately 300 to 600 milligrams. This is the therapeutic window documented in traditional medicine and supported by modern research. Never exceed 1/4 teaspoon in a single dose. Never use nutmeg for sleep more than 5 nights per week. Taking more does not produce better results. It only increases risk of side effects. Here's exactly how to prepare your nighttime nutmeg tea. Use freshly ground nutmeg. Whole nutmeg that you grate yourself is far more potent than pre-ground powder. The essential oils degrade quickly once exposed to air. Choose chamomile, valerian root, or passion flower as your base tea. These herbs enhance nutmeg's effects. Avoid any tea with caffeine. Timing is critical. Begin preparing your tea exactly 60 to 90 minutes before your desired sleep time. This allows the compounds to reach peak concentration just as you're ready to sleep. Boil 8 ounces of water. Measure out 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. Place your tea bag in a cup. Pour the boiling water over your tea and add the measured nutmeg. Stir well. Let it steep for at least 10 minutes. This extended steeping allows the active compounds to fully extract. Add a small amount of honey if desired. Honey provides glucose that helps tryptophan cross the blood-brain barrier, supporting natural melatonin production. Drink the entire cup slowly over 15 to 20 minutes. Sip it in a comfortable, dimly lit space. No screens. No stimulating activities. This creates the ritual association your brain needs. Do not eat a heavy meal within 2 hours of drinking your tea. A light snack is fine. Make this part of a complete bedtime routine. Turn off screens 60 minutes before bed. Dim the lights. Keep your bedroom cool, between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Use blackout curtains. For maximum effectiveness, maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Get morning sunlight exposure. Exercise regularly but not within 3 hours of bedtime, and avoid alcohol. Here's what to expect. Week 1. You may notice relaxation within 30 to 45 minutes. Your thoughts may slow down. Many people fall asleep faster on the first night. Others need a few nights for effects to build. Weeks 2 and 3. This is the adjustment phase. Your brain is recalibrating. Some nights will be better than others. This is normal. Don't give up. Your circadian rhythm is being reset. Weeks 4 through 6. This is the breakthrough. You're falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. Dreams become more vivid, a sign of restored REM sleep. Morning grogginess decreases and energy improves. Week 8 and beyond. Most people have established significantly improved sleep patterns. Many use the tea just a few nights per week as needed. The key is consistency and patience. Sleep problems that took years to develop won't resolve in 3 days. Important safety information. Never exceed 1/4 teaspoon in a single dose. Large amounts of nutmeg can cause unpleasant effects. The therapeutic dose is tiny. More is not better. Pregnant women should avoid medicinal doses of nutmeg. Breastfeeding mothers should also avoid it. If you're taking prescription medications, especially psychiatric medications or blood thinners, consult your doctor first. People with liver disease should avoid regular nutmeg use. Do not use nutmeg every single night. Take at least 2 nights off per week to prevent tolerance. Do not combine nutmeg with alcohol or other sedatives. Let's address cost. A small tin of whole nutmeg costs about $8 and lasts months. Compare that to prescription sleep medications at $30 to $300 per month. This is a 95% cost reduction while being potentially more effective and certainly safer. But the real savings aren't measured in dollars. They're measured in reduced sick days, prevented chronic diseases, improved relationships, and career opportunities you can seize when you have energy and mental clarity. So here's your choice. Continue down your current path. Sleepless nights, expensive medications that don't work, slow deterioration of your health and life. Or try something ancient physicians prescribed for thousands of years, that modern science has validated, that costs almost nothing and has the potential to transform your life tonight. 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. 8 ounces of chamomile tea. 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Consistent use for 8 weeks. That's the formula. Simple, accessible, and remarkably effective. Your choice. Your sleep is waiting. Will you take the first step tonight? Sweet dreams are no longer just a wish. They're a spice away.